Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today to share a My Creative Time design team project. And of course I am using her latest release. It's such an adorable release and I love it. Anyway, so I am using the Circus Clown Ephemera. So I'm using one of the images from there. I also got the ticket tag dies, and I'm using the medium size, I think, from there. Along with its layers, as well as the ticket booth die. I'm just using just these two from the ticket booth dies, as well as the Pastel Party Ephemera pack. Love this paper. I still haven't picked up my extra one. I need to go over there and get another one. I love that paper. And so I made a ticket tag. I love how it turned out. She is just adorable. I love it, love it, love it. And I thought I would use some crinkle ribbon. Just adorable. And I added the ticket up here and the 25 cents down there. Oh, and I also used the eyelet dolly. I forgot about showing that. That's one more thing that I use, and I just popped it behind her. I did add some sparkle on her, and I put her on an action wobble. Isn't she just too cute? I love her. She turned out so cute, and I love the ticket. I love this embossed area right down here. It's so pretty, and then the little hearts there. Adorable. And I did add a space on the back. You know, if I use the tag, I can actually write something on the back there, and just love it. But she's just so adorable. Make sure you leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think. And that's about it. That's all I have for you. Make sure you go over to My Creative Time and the other designers. Check them out. And if you haven't had a chance to check out school, you really should. It's a really nice platform that My Creative Time has over there. We do a lot of fun things there. If you'd like to use my code, it's MOE for 10% off your total purchase or 15% off on release weekends. And that's about all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.